So in this way we have completed the first example. Now let's take the second example. Sum of square of two consecutive number which are even natural is 244. Find the numbers. Read the example carefully. Here we have to find two numbers, but it is related to only one number. Means what? Sum of square of two consecutive even natural number. दोन क्रमागत समनैसर्गिक संख्यांच्या वर्गांची बेरीज 244 आहे. तर त्या संख्या कोणत्या? Means we have to assume that one natural number bx and the consecutive even natural number will be x plus 2. Always remember that if it is even or it is odd, it will be differ by only 2. Means there is a difference of 2 only. Therefore, let's start with the solution. I will write here the solution. First, let even be x and consecutive even natural number is x plus 2. Therefore, by the given condition, x into x plus 2, because the product is given, the sum of square is given, so we have to take the square of these two terms and we have to add it because sum is given, that is plus sign, is equal to 244. So how I will expand it? By using the formula for a plus b bracket square. A plus b bracket square, expansion is x square, means a square, plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into x into 2, that is 4x, plus 2 square is 4, is equal to 244. Now x square plus x square is 2x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 244 is equal to 0. Again 2x square plus 4x. Now I will do the addition, subtraction. 244 minus 4 is 240 and sign of the bigger number is minus. So minus 240 is equal to 0. Now remove the common factor from this. You will get 2 as a common factor. So x square, 2 2s are 4x and 2 into 120 is 240 is equal to 0. Now this 2 goes to the right hand side and 0 upon 2 you will get again 0. Therefore x square plus 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now I have the quadratic equation in its general form and I have to solve it by the factorization method. So take the factor of minus 120 plus minus type is there, so minus and plus you will get 10 and 12. So x square minus 10x plus 12x minus 120 is equal to 0. Form the group. X is the common factor, in bracket x minus 10 plus sign. Again I will write this bracket x minus 10 equal to 0. Now see the common factor is 12. Write it here. Again I will write the common bracket in once time. X plus 12. These are the remaining factors enclosed in the another bracket. Now x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to positive 10 or x is equal to negative 12. Now we have to find the numbers, and these numbers are natural, not integers. So x is equal to minus 12 is discarded. So what is the correct value of x is 10, but here x means even natural number. So therefore even natural number is 10 and consecutive even natural number is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So in this way, here we have completed the solution of this word problem. We have taken two word problems based on quadratic equation for the today's lecture. You have to solve from the practice set number 2.6, example number 1 to 5, and make a PDF with your name, subject and topic, and send it to me with roll numbers. Send it to me on my personal WhatsApp account, and for any queries you can call me or ask me by message or call. Thank you.